folks, I'm Gary Morgan. I'm here with a Hook Knife News weather update. We're going to go live to the scene with our Hook Knife News correspondent. Wayne is, I believe, in Columbia, Maryland. Wayne, tell us what it's like out there.
Yes, Gary. It is snowing.
Okay, is that it? Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Did you shave?
Yeah, I shaved. I thought we were talking about the weather. I mean, what's the big deal whether or not I shave?
You look kind of funny.
Yeah, who cares? Maybe I'm tired of looking like certain other little skinny people with their little beards and their little hats, and maybe I'm tired of looking like you, Wayne. Maybe I'm tired of getting compared to you. You ever thought about that? Maybe, I don't know. I just don't understand. I'm getting real tired of you and your unprofessionalism. Is there any way that you could possibly get a little more professional about this?
All right, back to you.
Thank you, Wayne.
Baby face.
All right, well, there was Wayne with another wonderful weather update. It's snowing, so just be careful. I'm Gary Morgan with Hook Knife News.